Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. It's been a year in the waiting for new music and it is here. Dalton Harris has released his new single, Cry. The X Factor winner also performed the latest single live on the X Factor The Band finale on Sunday night.
Guess you never really needed love, baby. I won't make it hard before I let you see me fall apart, baby. I'll go and just let the
Dalton, who cleared his Instagram account for the big release, stated that he has been working so hard over the past year to get to this point, and it is a real full circle moment releasing it after performing on the X Factor stage again. He also thanked his fans for being patient with his journey. Now, Jumanji: The Next Level opened with a $60.1 million over the weekend in the US, locking 213 million global sales. The video game adventure sequel starring heavyweights Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Jack Black, Kevin Hart, and Nick Jonas was lauded by critics as a successful follow-up to its predecessor with plenty of new tweaks and twists.
Check this out. Strengths and weaknesses. Linguistics.
Oh, goodness.
Nunchucks. That's new.
That's a good list.
Weaknesses: heat, sun, and sand. How is this guy a character in an adventure game? Man, it is hot out here!
According to reviews in Next Level, the actors didn't exactly reprise their roles from Welcome to the Jungle. As avatars in the video game, they take on the mannerisms of the people who control them. And the new movie introduces gamers played by Danny DeVito and Danny Glover. Overall, critics stated that Jumanji: The Next Level has revamped its franchise into a blockbuster success. That's it for E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.